Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys Infinix phone guys, brightness setting guys, and today video title is guys dark theme guy, how can we disable? Friends, we want to disable guys Infinix phone guys dark theme setting guys, you don't want to use. So how can you disable it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your Infinix phone guys phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys Infinix phone guys phone setting guys. After on phone setting, as you can see this tab settings. So friends, we will click my phone display and brightness. And friends, you can see dark theme is enabled. So friends, you can disable from the right side icon. Guys, tap here to disable it. So friends, your dark theme will not enable again. Friends, you will have to enable. You want to use guys, you will have to enable. And friends, you want to off guys your phone schedule time. So guys, you can off from here guys. This guys non option guys. We will tap here. So come back. So as you can see guys, your dark theme will disable and like a light theme will enable in Infinix phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching.